Shut up, Anita. Shut up. I said, shut up, Anita. You don't understand my friend. Shut up. Shut up.
Look, Roger, you cannot do this to me. Like, I'm tired of it. I'm tired of you defining me, making me whatever you feel like. And I'm going to tell that.
Shut up! You think that's going to be your man? I'll kill you. Believe me, I'll kill you. I will make for them so that you can child.
Roger, look, God is not good. You are going to pay. You are going to pay for all the wickedness and all the evilness you have done to me.
Teach our children, so that our children will teach their own children. Teach our children, so that our children will teach their own children. Teach our children.
Come here, my daughter. Sit down. You don't look well.
Mother, when you take me with your food.
No, I'm not okay. Sit down. My daughter, you don't look well. Please tell me, what is wrong?
My brother was adopted from the orphanage and brought into this household. I've been terrorizing me. As a matter of last night, he came into my bedroom and sexually assaulted me.
What?
He raped me, Father. He has raped me repeatedly. I don't know how to tell you.
Regina, what have you just said now?
Father, I'm so ashamed.
Oh my God.
Even though I'm not a phone.
This is unbelievable. That boy, I came from your family. That didn't have shoes on his feet. I'm taking him out of my way. And I'm going to deal with him. You have to get out of my house. He cannot stay here. He is Spanish.
Father.
Yes?
Please, you need to do something. Because I cannot take this any longer. You'll be continuing with sexual abuse. I'll go mad,
Don't go mad, my daughter. Take it easy. It won't happen again under my roof. Please do.
Hold it.
Go on. Tell me.
I'm pregnant. I'm a man.
I want you to have the child. And we give it away for adoption. Yes, we give the child away. Ha! going to happen. I just want to tell you, my boy, that no, you should have a child. And we give the child away for adoption. Yes, we give the child away. Because I don't want to see that child. I can't do it.
Father, because the child is so innocent.
I know.
How will have the child and we give the child away for adoption?
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Good yourself. Alright, how are you? Have a seat.
Sorry, sit for me.
At the man, though it's expensive and very difficult to process, it's called pure Chinese gold. I want you to go and visit the two brothers, Barry and Gary. Ask them if they can get it for me. You know, go?
Yes, boss. I will visit them.
I'm fine.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys again. Okay, I was sent here by my boss, Chief Okno, to buy a pure Chinese gold. You have it?
Yeah, we have it.
Okay, can I say something?
Yeah, bring it. Come. See it?
Wow, this is a nice gold. Okay, can I see the silver?
Yeah. And Pasaki will cost you $15 million.
What? $15 million?
Yeah.
Criminals, you guys are bad guys. It's too expensive now. My boss said he's broke now, that what he can afford is $5 million.
Chief Abner of all people, how can he be broke? No, we can't sell it that cheap. You need to do more better than that. And he has a lot of money.
But you have a lot of horse which is sell their body parts as a sex slave to all elite men in this country. Let's tell him to do more better, please. Tell him.
It's not easy, my brother. Alright, no problem. I'll relate it to him. Whatever it is, I will get back to you guys, okay?
Right.
I have to take my leave now.
Alright.
Let's come to check. Alright, pick up.
I don't trust that man anymore.
Hapa.
I don't trust that man. Something about him is off. I feel he's making more. And he's telling us he wants to pay us $5 million.
I think that guy is extorting from both of us. I think this time I'll call Chief. Don't know what is going on. Call him. Let me call him.
Yeah, right.
For what?
Hello, Luciana.
Chief, good afternoon.
I found something disturbing. About my adopted son, Nuja. He has been sleeping with my daughter, Regina. They have been doing it uncountable time without number.
Abomination. Alo. How could he sleep with his own sister?
My dear, I need a big favor from you. I know you have the ear of your husband, but no. Please warn him that Noja is not good. He has been extorting and stealing money from Chief with the gold and silver people who are working for Chief. So you must be very careful because he does not know the next plan Noja has for him. You must not trust him.
Hey. Leave that dirty bastard for me. I must tell my husband. So you think he can play with my husband like this? Stealing money from our own ends. We have been good to him. We took him as our own. And now he did this to us. Chief, just leave him for us. We will surely deal with him. Thank you for the information anyway.
Okay, thank you.
I can't talk about it over the phone right now. Please, can you come to my house? Seriously, I'm lost. I'm confused. Why did you change your plan, sir? Why do you want to change your will?
It's because of my adopted son, whom I took from the orphanage. You have raised my daughter, my real biological daughter.
Time and time again, it has never. My goodness. Oh my God. Chief, are you kidding me? Walking down, my lawyer. That is why I want to make a change in my will. I want him out of my will.
I need my will change today, not tomorrow, right now.
Okay, Chief, I will get that done for you. When I get to the office now, I will draft out the changes and I'll be needing you to sign off. Though I have your resignation auto in my system. Nevertheless, sir.
Please do. Listen. I don't want him to get a kobo.
I don't want him to get a penny. Not even a penny. I want him out of my way. Okay, sir, Chief, calm down. I'm on this. That is why I'm your lawyer. That is why I'm here. So I'm on this, sir. I will make sure and I will ensure that by my power, everything will go to your daughter. All your inheritance will be handed over to your daughter. I trust. Trust me on this, sir. And I want to advise you, sir. Chief, have this at the back of your mind. Okay? That the dogs that you see crying for help, coming around you, leave them. Because this same dog, this same people you help people, you want to try to help, might turn against you one day to bite you. Be careful, Chief. That is, Chief, be careful. I will be my way now, sir. As soon as I get to the office, I will fist him up and I know what to do, sir. Okay. Take care of yourself, sir. Thank you. All right, sir. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Chief. All right.
Don't let them know.
Who is your father? I can never be your father. And you can never be my child. I took you from the orphanage with no shoes on your feet. I felt sorry for you. So this is the way you have come to turn me back. By constantly raping my daughter. Now she's pregnant. What? Pregnant? I hate you, get out of my sight. She's lying, that dirty girl. Father, sweet and we are not at home. She sneaks men in her bedroom at night time. Please, she's lying. Oh my goodness. Ain't that wicked girl? Father, she's lying. Really? Yes! Sorry, look here. If you think you are going to fool me, you are a joker. I have two things to tell you. Listen very carefully. Not even a penny. Look, if you don't get out of my house, I'm going to kill you. I've already kept my will. Leave me out of the will and of family business. I have been slavery for years. Really? Father, you believe that? Well, you have another thing coming. If you think I'm going to be going out on the streets, yes. I do think about that. Oh boy. It was so good.
Lawless country. Yeah. Whenever I state actors kill innocent people, they get a promotion. The people that fight back in self-defense are in their prison yard. When rich men steal millions of dollars, they give him post in a government yard. When poor man steal one stick of sweets, they put him in their prison yard. Lawless country.
Dad?
Lawless country.
Where are you taking it? No,
Yeah. Whenever I state actors kill innocent people, they get a promotion. The people that fight back in self-defense are in their prison yard. When rich men steal millions of dollars, they give him post in a government yard. When poor man steal one stick of sweets, they put him in their prison yard. Lawless country. lawless country. Corrupt country. Lawless country. Where thieves are smiling, good guys suffering. Lawless country. We are tired of this system, entity system. Lawless country. They gave us bread of sorrow, we have no confidence. They gave us bread of sorrow, we have no confidence. Let me tell you, these criminals are full of pretense. These criminals are full of pretense. We fools are ruling, fools ain't chance. Ordinary man have no residence. Rockstar, we no send no Babylon president. We no send no Babylon president. Not a single good road everyday accident. Not a single good road everyday accident. Teachers who don't know what to teach their students should allow their...
Chief, my husband, I want to tell you something.
What's that?
You see that man that you do business with, that man that plays as a middleman with all your expensive millions of naira good. That man has been making your money from your profits. That man has been playing you for a long time. You have to do something, man.
How did you know?
From a very good sources, my husband. You do not know what the guy is planning or doing for your demands. You have to get rid of him. Or do you want him to kill you and kill your wife too? You have to get rid of him before it's too late.
My wife, thank you very much. I knew there was something very fishy about that man. I'm expecting him to come around later. When he comes around, I'm going to ask Marcus to dispose of him. Trust me. Trust me.
You have to get rid of him, because I do not want to bury my husband right now. I don't want to become a widow.
Regina is carrying my baby, and I want her to keep it. You are disgusting. I terminated that pregnancy because I have job for her to do, and she cannot do it with the baby.
No! But you would have consulted me first.
You don't have anything in this matter. You are evil anyway for getting your sister pregnant. And if you have a problem, I can take care of the situation now with you. Marcos! Marcos! Chief. Yes, boss.
What's the problem?
Marcos! Chief, you know what? I think this guy is going to be causing problem.
Chief, it doesn't go into that.
Dispose of him!
Chief, please! It doesn't go to this.
Bro, please!
Yeah. Lawless country. Yeah. Whenever I stay across innocent people, they get a promotion. The people that fight back in self-defense are in their prison yard. When rich men steal millions of dollars.
Eugenia, I have an assignment for you to do. You are going to be the African madam for these girls right here. I want you to be in charge because I like your spirit. And I need you to set up an appointment with the airlines who have so much money. We are going to have a party tonight with millionaires. We are going to be a couple of chiefs who have money, and I need their money. And that is how you guys are going to make little money on your side.
Chief, no disrespect. I really don't want to do this.
Look, you don't have no choice. If you don't do it, you are going to end up like your adopted brother.
What happened to Noja? What happened?
Look, put it this way. He will not be giving you no more problem. I took care of him. And you can't take care of this for me. Eugenia, you've been selected. You should be grateful that I selected you as the African madam. I want you to take care of these girls. Their hair, their makeup, their clothes, everything should be seductive. I want you to flex with these men. whatever we request, you should honor it. Eugenia, do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Shola, do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Teresa, do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Rita, do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You guys can now go and get ready for the party. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Chief, do you really know what you're doing? Making Eugenia the African madam. I believe I should be the African madam to oversee all your finance. Now I'm jealous, you know. I do not think that you are making sense at all.
Eugenia, listen, I know what I'm doing. I want you to be by my side as my wife.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, man. I will go with the flow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my love.
You had me pregnant. What? But they didn't abort the child. Instead, they gave the child away to a particular chief. I didn't know who this chief was until today. Because the same unique death mark you're carrying on your forehead, Shola, confirmed that you're my child.
I don't understand. What are you saying, madam?
Because my child had this same unusual unique birthmark. You're my lost daughter, Shola.
I don't know. Wait, so, it was Chief that Noja gave you to and raised you and have you selling your body.
I have a plan. Shola, please, let me embrace you.
Marcus, Marcus, please. Please don't touch her, please. Please, don't let Chief hear this. Don't take our lives. Please. Please, Marcus, please.
I heard a story.
Please.
It's very sad. Very sad. This proves to me that God is on your side. The man has revealed that Shola is your daughter. Don't you not have a feeling for her? Although I haven't said anything yet. I'm not even happy with Chief, with all that is going on. He has me coming to his household. He took me off the streets. I had no choice than to do the job for him. He had me kill people, do different abortion. He's a wicked man and he's a dark man.
From now on, Marcus, I want you to play the game, but you are really working for me. Are you listening to me? Matter of fact, I am going to call on these chiefs. I want you to collect their money. These collections with these elders by the following day that we get their market. This is how we are going to outsmart everybody. Because the 3 million that they are going to pay for their market, thinking that the market will be delivered to them, it won't be so. They want African market. I am going to show them. I am going to take vengeance on Chief. So do that for me.
Your wish is my command.
Chief.
Ujinga jere chota kwandi jaka. Onya balotso, ononu bewana balotso. Onya balotso, ononu bewana balotso. Onya balotso,
If you give me the 2 million, you will get it on the black market.
Okeno songere nasa.
Chief, I did not get the market I paid so much $1 million for. I'm so upset. Right now, I'm losing my temper.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. Let me talk to Marcus. I'll get back to you.
You better do before I lose my temper.
Yeah. What's going on? I thought to deliver those goods to those chiefs. Now they are threatening my life. They want to sacrifice me. Marcos, what is the problem?
Children, so that our children will teach their own children. Teach our children, so that our children will teach their own children. Teach our children.
You think you were going to raise my child? You think I don't know that she is my child? Hey, after selling her body to all these men, after aborting my other child, you think you were going to get away with it? Chief, I will tell you where your goods are. It's in safe hands. You know what? I sold everything. You see your bodyguard, huh? He is taking revenge on you too, Chief. Because you have taken him off the street, but you didn't nurture him and take him as your son. You use him as a gangster and a murderer. Hey, Chief, this is a payback time, right? Oh, it's a payback time.
hell is going on here? Who is coming in?
Shut up your mouth! Shut up your mouth!
Please don't use me.
I will use you for sacrifice.
Please don't
I
use
will
me
drink
for
your blood. I will use you for sacrifice.
You will not escape. This
So you didn't even beg for your husband's life. Is this how wicked and heartless you are?
Is that really what it is? Well, for your information, I never loved that man. I was forced into that marriage with that wicked man.
Really?
I'm glad that you people handled this case. He forced me to do the abortion. Even yours, Eugenia. You think I felt good? I know that if I refuse to do what he asked me to do, I'll go missing. I'm even glad I don't even have to worry about opening my mouth. Matter of fact, I'm so glad you people handled that wicked man, because I will live my life in peace.
Really?
I know the reason why I didn't say anything.
I do not know what you're talking about. Excuse me.
You think I don't know that you are with one of those chiefs? You are just as bad. I know you are sleeping and having an affair with one of the courtmen.
Exactly why I never said anything. That's why you made it so easy for me. So now, all the chief finance, the money, the properties, even the millions of naira in the bank account now belongs to me.
Bravo. I should dance for you.
My husband may have given you the title, Eugenia, the African madam. But I am the real African madam.
Hey!
So let's celebrate. The wicked man is no more. That evil man is no more.
Well.
So let's celebrate.
I can't explain what I'm feeling. Is this love that I'm feeling? I can't explain what I'm dreaming. Is this love that I'm dreaming? Baby, just keep me moving. Is this love that I'm feeling? Keep it coming. Baby, just keep me moving. I think I love what I'm feeling. Please keep it coming. Baby, do not beat me up just to let me drop. Don't stop it now. Do not turn me down and close your door. Baby, don't stop it now. Yeah. Girl, I'm not ashamed to tell the whole world that I'm your man, you are my woman. Girl, I'm not ashamed to tell the whole world. I beg you, just keep me moving. Just keep me moving. Is this love that I'm feeling? Keep it coming. Baby, just keep me moving. I think I love what I'm feeling. Please keep it coming. Oh my, ooh. Now that I found you, no more searching. I can't explain. Ooh. Is this love that I'm feeling? She's mine. Ooh. I thank God I found my missing ribs. Baby, just keep me moving. Baby, just keep me moving. Is this love that I'm feeling? Keep it coming. Baby, just keep me moving.